There's the map. I think we are on a path. Not sure if we're on the right path. Here we go. Here we go. We're going to the waterfall.
When I do like proper trails, and it's like this. Here we go.
Ah, here we go. This is the national flower. What's the name of this flower?
Protea.
Protea? Yeah.
It looks like the moment of the mountains for some kind of ritual.
It's called initiation?
Yeah, so when the boys become men, into men, it's the only one I know. So they have to spend time alone in the, what do you call it?
Like how old are you when you do that?
Around about 18.
Okay. So you can drink and then you can go become a man. So this is the Eerste River, the first river.
Challenge coming up.
It's not that bad.
There you go. We're gonna watch you.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna do this without the guided rope.
No, do it with the thing so we can see it.
Okay. So it looks like, yeah. So you just gotta hold on to this. The only thing here's what I would just avoid is the minute you get your feet wet, it's a lot harder. Yeah. So I think I think I would avoid using this actually. Yeah. So you've got this thing. This feels super solid.
I'm just gonna hold onto this thing and slide down.
There you go. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, I think I hear the sound of the waterfall. How's the water?
It's good.
Yeah?
It's cold, but in a nice way.
I think I want to get my hair wet. Waterfall number 2, here we come. Clouds over here, sun over here. And now we go up. Here's a little caution sign telling me not to fall to my death. So here's the sign for the second waterfall. I ran into some other hikers who said it was kind of underwhelming. So I think I'm gonna go here. I think this leads us to a peak. We're going to Kurktrekkersnek. Kurktrekkersnek? Oh god, I'm just butchering every single pronunciation here. Something to work on. Time to cross a river. All these little bushes are a little spiky. Can't really tell, but they are slightly serrated and they go all along this path. Oh. All these rocks are so pretty. I'm guessing this is either like granite. You know, maybe this is sandstone. It's kind of rough. Time to have my first snack. You have these. Jor-el Keto Collagen. This hike is already pretty epic. It's not bad. I have another choice, guys. Viewpoint, Victoria Peak, or Kurktrekkersnek. And I don't see Victoria Peak on this map. We'll see what happens. This is another pretty narrow trail. Here we go. Now I think we're really going up into the mountains. Oh, this is fun. Which way do I go? Do I go this way or this way? Which way does this way go? Oh, they both go to the same area. Epic. It's rocks and brush and absolutely stunning views. It just gets better and better. Oh, good. Some steps. You can barely see the trail. Well, you can see it. You just follow the rocks. Hey, bee. Oh boy. I now have another choice to make. This way or this way, although it looks like that trail ends. So I think I'm going up. This view just keeps getting better and better. I think I'm going up this way. Oh yes, how was the hike? Oh, the trail was so well maintained. It was just like completely flat. Was it rocky? A little bit. Was it all rocks? Well, yes, now that you mention it, it was. Some of these rocks are steady, some of these are really not. Smooth. Oh yeah, so helpful. Guess if you want to get to the top of a peak, sometimes you gotta climb a few rocks. The least helpful step in the world. Oh yes, thanks so much. So helpful. I think we're almost at the top, guys. What an incredible hike. Although I don't know if I would call this a hike. I might call this a light scramble. You know what? Maybe it's a hike that turns into a scramble. What is that called? A hamble? A skrike? Yeah. Maybe this is a skrike. Ooh. Look at that. So stable. Oh, fuck. Okay. It's just rocks. This is the trail. Oh man. Which way do I go? Look for the big ones. That's how stable these rocks are, guys. This is ridiculous. I'm not even sure if I'm on a hike anymore. Okay. Okay. Nice. Or is that where the trail goes? I think I'm off trail. Well, I mean, I'm certainly not on a trail. My shoelace is also untied. Ride the rock slide. Oh. Whew. Okay. I'm okay. Did not just take a fall. Okay. This is kind of a trail. Almost at the top. Fuck it. Let's go. Okay. This is actually a trail. Don't go up the rock slide area, people. Another decision. Left or right? I think they both go to the same place, but one might kill me. What's holding this rock down? Nothing. There we go. What height did you decide to get on? It's called the hike of many loose boulders. It's definitely worth it though. Look at this view. Well, maybe it's useful having this because you at least know you're on the trail, even though they do nothing to help make the trail safer. This is it. Although once again, I have a choice. I think this is the right choice though. Going left, people. Holy. I guess we got a little more. Something else connects with this. What a trail.
Hey.
Hey. How are you?
Good yourself?
I'm doing well. The peak is just up there? Did you come up around what side?
Swartboskloof.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did the Kurktrekkersnek. Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever this is. I can't pronounce any of the names. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I accidentally went to the left where all that huge pile of rocks is.
Yes. Oh, no, no.
I was like, no, these are all gonna fall, so I crossed back over.
Yes.
Everything I stood on was falling.
It's quite washed out also.
Yeah. How are you? All right. Have a good.
alone, yeah.
I guess so.
Okay.
When I get to the top, should I come back this way, do you think, or go that way?
We made like a circular thing.
Oh, look at these flowers. So I was walking by here, I noticed there's no sign here not to kill yourself, even though I think this is a little bit worse than the previous one. I think they assume anyone who would have killed themselves probably did it at the last one, so they don't need a sign. Oh god. Do I have another choice? Oh yeah. I guess that's not a trail. This is kind of a trail. No, this isn't a trail. You look for the rocks. The unstable. Terrifying rocks. What a hike. What a hike. Oh. We are almost there, guys and gals. Oh. This is the Kurktrekkersnek that I just came up. We've got the panorama roof. This route is close. But what is this? Okay, I've consulted this torn up map, and it looks like, oh god, it's out of focus. No, don't fly away. Alright, it looks like I started out here. Got hitched, took a ride with those two ladies through here. We parked here, then we hiked up through here. Then I went up, decided to go up this way. Now I have a decision. Do I go back? Or do I go around this way? Is there a sign? Oh wait, there's a sign. It's on the other side. Okay. I can go to I should really think this out before I say it out loud. Swartboskloof. Let's look at my handy dandy map. Swartboskloof. I think I should go on Swartboskloof. The real question is, how much longer is it? I think it'll be fine. Alright, we have reached the lookout. You've seen it, it's beautiful. Purple. And we're going up. We are going back into the brush, people. Ooh. Once again, it's time to climb the rocky steps. These are different rocks, though. They're more like a white sandstone. Once again, I have a decision to make. Where does this trail go? They both go to the same place again? Once again, the trail has disappeared. I think this might be it. Or maybe... Okay, that's just a rock. This looks kind of like a trail. Yeah. This is definitely a trail. So it's pronounced Kurktrekker?
Yeah.
It means corkscrew, okay.
Yeah. Well, it means, it means corkscrew.
Yeah, the
But literally is cork puller.
Oh.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Do you know which way you're going down?
I think I'm doing. I'm gonna go. I've got the map. I think.
So you'll meet the path and
then just go down.
There's a sign that says Landroskop.
Okay.
It goes that way, and you don't go that way. You turn right
And come around, back around.
Yeah. And you
That's
do the
what I
clockwise-
figured.
clockwise
So you're
circuit.
doing the opposite
And
way.
this route is pretty obvious.
Yeah, this doesn't look quite as bad as that. I initially went because I only have until like 3 p.m. So I was like, what's a nice easy hike? And they were like the Waterfall loop. So I went to the first waterfall. I was like, oh, that was easy.
Yeah, that's
Then I was gonna go to the.
It's too short.
Yeah, then I was gonna go to the second one, and then I ran into some Germans who were like, it's not that impressive. So I was like, this looks more interesting. Go to the top.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty spectacular.
It's
Yeah.
nice, yeah. And if you see any of the viewpoint walks off to the left, go and have a look.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see the sea and stuff.
That's what I would love to. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'll at the top. All right,
Okay, cool.
but don't go that way.
No, don't go that way.
landscape keeps changing. Mind blown. There's just rocks everywhere. Route temporarily closed. Alright, I think it's now time to try the fruit roll with guava and pear. It is really good. I would recommend. Time to hop across the river. Oh. Look at these rocks, dude. Look at these crazy formations. Right or left? I think these go to completely different places. There's no sign. Let's go down right and see what it looks like. Maybe this trail ends. Once again, I think right and left both go to the same location. We're back to rocks, people. Climbing back up. Whoa, there's the ocean. Oh, it's getting a little marshy. Swartboskloof viewpoint, Somerset. I think that's where I'm going. Let me consult my trusty map. Oh, that's viewpoint. Wow. I think I'm going this way. Look at this thing. I see a Karen. Stepped on that rock and it slipped. Gotta be very careful with my feet here. Whoa. Okay. Oh, this is great. My path down is also just rocks. Oh yes. The path. What path? Where the f do I go? Okay. I got temporary loss, but now I'm back on the right path. I know that because it's covered with rocks. Back into the jungle. I think when I get back to the US, I'm not gonna know what a hiking trail looks like anymore because it's not just a huge pile of rocks. This is my life now. Rock walking. It's doing a lot. Really making this hike easier. Alright, now this sort of feels like a trail. I spoke too soon. More rocks. This might be it, people. This might be where the rocks end. But I've said that before. Nope! More rocks. These aren't as bad though. Goodbye, rocks. Oh, this is nice. Sand. Never miss sand so much. What are you? This Swartboskloof contour. Oh. I guess one is up and one is down. I have a decision to make. We're going right. Just run between my legs, Mr. Lizard. It's another bright colored lizard. Aha! Guess we're going back to the main road now. We are now back where we started. Time to get back to the front so I can get an Uber home. Epic. Just epic. Quick update. I just saw a snake crossing the road. It was giant. Giant black snake crossing the road. Right there.